Hello and welcome to the Wiki tutorial on how to publish your article in InfiniWiki. First of all, you will need to check if your article isn't already made by searching it with the help of the InfiniWiki search bar. If the article is not made, you will see it written as a link in a red color. To create the new article, simply click on it and a new page will be created. It would be better for you to use a Word document when you are writing your article and just copy-paste the contents of your article in the InfiniWiki editor. When you have a large article, firstly, it would be best to add the main titles of your article section in the Wiki editor and click Show Preview in order to generate the article's contents. This way, a user can simply click on the desired section and the wiki will show directly that. Afterwards, just copy-paste your information in the sections you already created. Each article has a general image, so you can add one by clicking the image icon called Embedded File, which will open a window where you can write the file name, the caption if you need one, select an alignment and also a format. After selecting the format of your image, click Upload, upload the image, tick This is my own work, and click Upload. Before adding the image in your article, you will need to write the details of your image. Usually I copy-paste the name of the file in the description area, then click Save and Insert. Now that you have the general image of your article inserted, you can go on with copy-pasting your information in the right section. When you have a link in your article, it's best to link it to the source. So in this case, the source is InfinityMU website. You can simply click on the link icon and click Insert Link. For a structured and easy to read article, it's best to use images and tables. You can use table presets already made in the existing articles in InfiniWiki. Just copy-paste the table code and fill it with your information. Usually the vertical and horizontal lines from the table code represent the vertical and horizontal lines of the table you are making. You can also insert images in the table. Usually these types of images are preferred to be aligned to center and using none as format if they are small, or thumb format if they are big. In this case, we already have the Dragonite image uploaded in Wiki, so I only copy the file name, click on the image icon and the file name in the box, select the align and format and click Insert. To view my work so far, I click Show Preview. Images go well with text, and if it's possible to replace text with image, do so. Non-native English players will always understand better from a scheme rather than a full paragraph of text. When you paste your text, it is best to review and edit it in case of grammar mistakes or misspells. Also, add links to your article by selecting the desired words and clicking the link icon. Either link your article with an existing wiki page or a forum page. This will be helpful for the user's experience. At the end of your article, it might be important to check if your item, event, tutorial has similar articles that you can link them with. You can add a See Also section created as a regular section in your article that could link your article to other existing articles in the wiki page. Or you can use the category already created in Wiki to link your article to existing categories. Before clicking Save Page, it's always good to review your article. This way, you can change the position or format of an image. You can simply write in the image code, and the image alignment or format of the image will change. If you want to add an extra space in a text field, you can do this by typing BR in arrow-shaped brackets at the end of the sentence. And finally, click Save Page, and that's it. Your article is published.